Alright, hear me out. This might be one of the most underrated lighting upgrades I've used in my setup so far. This is the Neewer NS02 neon rope light, and it does way more than just glow. It has RGB, music sync, app control, and even AI-generated lighting effects, whether you like it or not. So let's get right into the review and find out if it's actually worth it.
Hey. 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 Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
This is a 5 meter, or just over 16 foot, flexible neon style LED strip designed to give you that smooth, diffused glow instead of harsh LED dots. It's rounded and lit at the sides, which means the light spreads evenly across surfaces, which is perfect for walls, desks, or creative shapes on your wall. One of the best parts is how many ways you can control it. You've got a built-in controller right on the cable if you want something quick and simple. But where it really shines is the app. You can control everything from your phone, or even use voice control depending on your setup. This thing is surprisingly bright as well, with up to 1500 lumens. And it's not just RGB. You can dial in clean white light anywhere from warm 2700K all the way up to a nice and cool 6500K. So you can get some nice natural lighting and not just use it for those color profiles. Of course, RGB is where this really gets fun, because there's a ton of built-in effects. You can also create your own custom lighting profiles as well. So, if you want a specific vibe for gaming, editing, or just chilling out, you can save it and switch instantly. And yes, it syncs to sound. So whether you're listening to music or playing a game, the lights react in real time. It actually adds a lot more immersion than you'd expect, especially in a darker room.
Hey. 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 Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
Now, this is where it gets a little interesting. You can actually use AI to generate lighting effects. Now you're wondering how, and it's simple. You just enter in a prompt, and it creates a custom lighting scene based on that. It's kind of experimental, but when it works, you can get some really unique looks you wouldn't normally think to create. It's as simple as typing in something like sunset at the beach. Then the AI will do its thing, and you'll get lighting of the colors of sunset at the beach. Fun. You can also set up wake up and sleep timers. So the lights turn on automatically in the morning when you want them to, or shut off at night without you even thinking about it as you fall asleep. It's a small feature, but it makes the setup feel way better. The installation was super simple. The strip is very flexible, so you can create whatever shapes you want. You could create pretty decent corners to create different patterns, and custom designs to create your own unique setup. It comes with adhesive mounts, which are super easy to tack on, but you also have screws if you want a more secure and permanent setup that's not going to move. Overall, this was a very pleasant experience to set up and install, to use, and to visually see. This thing is beautiful on my wall, and I'm very glad to have it. Thank you to Neewer for sending it out to me and letting me review this for you all, and this is going to be a staple in my videos in the future because it's going to be giving me that ambient lighting that I've been wanting so long, and now I'm going to have it, and it's easy to just control on my phone. The Neewer NS02 is one of those upgrades that just makes your entire setup feel more alive. It's easy to use, super customizable, and honestly, way more versatile than I expected. If you're looking to level up your lighting game without going crazy expensive, this is a really solid option, and it improved my setup dramatically. If you want to purchase one for yourself, I'm going to leave links in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. It helps me out a bunch. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.